Hello there. Thank you for choosing the WooCommerce Product Designer plugin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a configuration such that can be assigned to an existing WooCommerce product that can be configurable by your customers. We're just going to dive right into that and go straight to configurations over here. In a bit to save more time, I would choose one of the existing configurations here to show you exactly how this is done. But in your case, you would want to create or click this button over here which says new configuration. So let's just use the Mach 334 configuration over here to show you exactly how this works. There we have it. As you can see, there are several segments here. We have the basic settings, the output file settings, the parts settings, the font settings, and the custom pricing settings or rules as you may have it. So what you want to do is, first of all, decide whether or not any of these options here would be selected. By selecting this option here, it means your customers would have the ability to customize the products fully. There won't be any templates available for them, so all of the customization has to be done by them. Here, you are giving the customer a little bit of opportunity to sprint through the purchase by allowing them to upload a file and not necessarily going through all of the details. So we want to go straight into output file settings. You could customize the size or the dimensions of how you intend the output to look like. You could choose a unit over here, and of course you could also select what files format you want: PNG, JPEG, SVG, or a combination of any of those three. Also, there's an opportunity to set watermarks should you want to brand your images, and you could equally set whether you want the output files to be in a zip file or not. So customizable part here allows you to set the different parts of the product. You could set, in this case, it's a mug, but if it were a shirt, you could totally customize the front and the back and have different setup for them. The icon field is completely optional, but here's the background image, which is the product in itself. If you want, you could set overlays and select a particular image that works for that. You could decide to include the overlay in the output or not by selecting, and here you could choose whether to have your customers have global fonts, which are all of the available fonts, or specific fonts for this configuration. And lastly, the pricing rules allows you to set pricing based on some of the customer's customization requirements. So you can set a particular fee for a number of characters. You can set a particular fee for the number of images uploaded or vectors uploaded, and so on and so forth. You can also add multiple rules as much as you want, and after all of that is done, you want to hit publish or update at the bottom right corner of the page. Thank you for going through this tutorial.